What's going on, guys? Thank you guys for joining me for another video. My name is Gharfeh, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a quick oatmeal recipe. It's the one I've been going to pretty recently, and it's really tasty, and I hope you guys do enjoy it. Let's get into the kitchen. And real quick, if you guys are new here and you guys are interested in seeing vegan recipes, vegan food reviews, and just pretty much everything vegan, as well as some vlogs, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let's get in the kitchen and make this oatmeal. Alright guys, so for my famous oats recipe, of course, the first ingredient you're going to need is some oats. So I got half a cup right here. And then I put about 2 tablespoons of this peanut butter powder. Gives it some extra protein. Oops. And then I'll pour some hot water over it. And then I add half a cup of puffed millet. Also add some flax seeds for the healthy omega-3s. And then lately I've been adding these peanut butter panda puffs. It's like some cereal, corn cereal. And I find that it makes the oats a lot better. I'll add a bit more water because it does get pretty thick. So after adding the panda puff cereal, I will do some blueberries for some extra antioxidants. You guys can put whatever you want on there. These are just the toppings that I've been feeling lately, and it's been really good. All right, guys, so as you can see, demolished the oats, and I didn't really show you guys, but I mean, they're oats, nothing really crazy. But I hope you guys did enjoy this recipe. It was super tasty, and if you guys do make it, please make sure to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you guys did like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. I would love to hear your guys' suggestions. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Deuce.